Alright, what's going on, guys? So I got the shop cleaned out a bit. Got this table set up here so you can start taking out the motor apart. Yep. So first I'm gonna start cleaning it up a bit because I don't want like dirt and like dried up oil to start getting inside the motor. So be back as soon as I clean it up a bit. Alright, so I got the motor fairly cleaned up by the front. And yeah, so I'm gonna drain the oil, see if there's actually even any oil in it. And if there's not, then I'll flip it over and we can pull the oil pan off. Alright guys, so I thought I might share this with you guys. I just flipped the motor over so I could get to the oil pan, and all like this orange liquid just started pouring out everywhere. Like I got a little bit of it cleaned up, but it's still everywhere, yeah. Oh shit. So yeah, I drained out all the oil. What's going on? Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up and then get back to the oil pan. Alright guys, so I finally got all this cleaned up already. Put some more paper down and stuff. Now I'm gonna start unbolting the oil pan and we can finally take a look inside. Alright, so I took the oil pan out, and there's no like metal shavings or anything like that, nothing weird. Insides look pretty good. We got 2-bolt mains. Yep. So I'm gonna put the oil pan back on, then finish like cleaning the sides and stuff, and take more things apart. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. So yeah.